If you'd like to see what a ranch or ranch Airbnb looks like in Texas, then keep watching. Welcome to Hilltop Hideaway in Spicewood, Texas. About 35 minutes away from downtown Austin, sitting on 10 acres of land at 3,100 square feet, this luxury estate can host up to 16 guests. It has 7 bedrooms with 17 beds, 6 bathrooms, which is perfect for family reunions, corporate events, and intimate celebrations. This property also includes a pool, a 20-person hot tub, spa hot tub, a games room, a barn, and a private cottage. And I'm excited to show you around. Let's start with the grand entrance. As you make your way up these stairs to your private ranch, I need to learn how to say that. All right, as we come up, we've got the deck area here where you can kick back, relax, and watch the sunrise or the sunset. I'm going to take you on a full tour of the outside. We've got plenty of chairs over here. 2 swinging chairs. Look at those swinging chairs. Nice table for you to have a nice drink while you overlook your 10-acre estate. This right here is your hot tub. You can see how big it is. It's a spa hot tub as well. And then we have a pool area with a volleyball net. So you volleyball lovers, this is a nice giant pool for you to have fun in. Got some sun lounges over there and your barbecue area, which I'll take you in a second. Let me show you the inside. All right, as you come in, you've got a nice Texan flag over there, some flowers, and let's make our way over to the living area. Got big couches over here with a big TV and a fireplace for those cold winter days. Lots of art around here and a nice big table that can fit 20 people. Apparently this table is over 100 years old, so when you do come here, please take care of this table. We've got a full-on kitchen with everything that you might need, starting with the most important thing, the coffee. You've got the Keurig coffee and a pot coffee. You got an oven and a microwave, stovetop table over here, a dishwasher, an ice maker, a nice big fridge, and all the appliances that you might need. Okay, making our way to one of the bedrooms. Look at all this art on the wall as well. All right, let's start with this one over here. We've got your queen size bed double bunk. So for the couples out there, you can share a room just for this retreat. Queen size, and you've got your own ensuite bathroom with a shower, a throne, and a sink, and a closet space for you as well. Making our way over to the next bedroom. Here we have 2 bunk beds with a king size bed at the bottom. This room has got lots of space, lots of art, and high ceilings. And I think this room has the best bathroom as well. Let's go take a look at this bathroom. As you come in, you have a walk-in closet for extra blankets or to store your suitcases. We've got the throne and a sink. Ladies, you're gonna love this. This is your area over here. You've got a chair to sit down and do your makeup, blow dry your hair, brush your teeth, wipe your makeup off, and a nice shower. Look at the size of the shower. It's a nice walk-in shower with all these shower heads, and you can turn it on using this device here. Look at that. All right, let's not waste the water. That's your shower, and it actually leads out straight to the pool area if you'd like. But let's keep going. This room is truly unique. We've got your double bunks in here as well. We've got 3 double bunks, and it goes into a private room over here. So for the masters out there, this could be your room. Got a room over here with plenty of space and a working desk for if you need to catch up on emails or edits or whatever. And let's keep rolling. All right, as we go back through the kitchen, I wanted to show you the final bedroom in here, in this property. All right, there's another master over here, overlooking those beautiful views outside. your own private ranch, estate, or a ranch. We've got a nice bed over here, a king-size bed, and with some beautiful artwork on the wall. And I always love it when Airbnbs have this thing. Look at that, you can charge all your devices, perfect for cameras or your phones. It also has an ensuite bathroom. Here we go. Here's your ensuite bathroom with closet space where you can store your suitcases or whatever. And a nice big mirror to look at yourself. All right, let's keep going. We're gonna make our way out of the laundry room. This is one of the entrances when you park your car. Plenty of towels. You got your laundry over here. And let's go. Oh, I just wanted to point this out before we go into the games room. Look at this. It has 3 Tesla power walls, and the solar panels are actually on top of this roof, as you can see. Got a playground area for the kids, but I just wanted to point this out. This place is trying to be as sustainable as possible. It's got the solar panels, and it's also got a place to capture rainwater. So they harvest the rainwater, which is pretty cool. All right, going over into the garage, which is the game room. Welcome to the game room. Open daily. Let's go take a look inside. As you come in, you've got foosball over here. You can definitely have a lot of fun here. Kids or whatever. I mean, I would definitely have fun here. Ping pong, some basketball over here, and a pool table. It's also a great place for you to have a party. There's a bar area here with a fridge and a microwave if you want to make popcorn. And you even have your sound system and a TV in case you want to watch sport or whatever you want to watch. All right, let's make our way over to the barbecue area. And all this land is here for you. Isn't that beautiful? All right, making our way to the barbecue area. It's covered and it's got extra fans for you. We've got a nice big dining room table with lights, so at nighttime this place looks beautiful. And here's your barbecue area. Nice and clean. Got a sink so you can wash dishes and prepare your meals. Lots of counter space over here to prepare your meals. Got another gas stove over here to prepare whatever you want. And I'm assuming this is that's a fridge over there. All right, don't really have those in South Africa or anything like this, to be honest. Moving over to the fire pit. This is where the guys can kick back, relax, have a cigar and a beverage with a fire. Perfect for those cold nights that are coming ahead here in Texas. All right, let's make our way down to the barn area. All this land could be yours. Look at that. I love the trees. I love the greenery. It is the end of winter. Summer is coming to an end slowly. It's still very warm, but winter's coming. So this is perfect for summer and winter, I would say, especially here around the Austin area. All right, welcome to the barn. You can use your creativity to do whatever you like in this area. Maybe a little barn party or whatever you like. There's also lots of space for your cars. So for the extra guests, they can park their cars here, or you could just host some sort of fun activity in this room. All right, the lights will turn on automatically in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Lots of space for you to do whatever you like here, so use your imagination. Maybe you can host some sort of workshop in here, maybe some yoga, maybe a massage, or maybe just watch the sports on this big TV if that's what you want. Lots of space for you to do whatever you want. Making our way back outside. All right, and on this property you can get that little cart over there, or Gator. This one's a Honda. But this is an optional extra. You can rent this out and it will be on the property. I'd say if you want to make your way all around, take this optional extra. Let's see, the keys are in it, and let's drive it around. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! This place is so big, you need your own vehicle to move around, which is kind of cool. Let me show you the view. I love how green it is. Honestly, before coming to Texas, I thought it was like those old Western movies, super dry, but surprisingly, throughout the summer, it's been nice and green. That's your grand entrance, and this is the barn. Ooh, there's more space here. Would you look at that? Before we enter the barn, I'm just gonna go explore and see what we can't see. That's the extra barn area, which I have not been in yet. So we're gonna tour it together for the first time. Storage unit over there. A nice table and a barbecue. So I believe this can be rented out separately, or you can include it in your stay when you book the whole ranch. Alrighty then. All right, so as we come here, we have a fan lighting area, and this will be more private. Here we go. Nice place for you to enjoy your favorite beverage while you're talking to your loved ones. And another spot for you to play card games or sit around the barbecue area as you prepare your meals. Let me try to get in here real quick. I think it might be open. And hello, Hamora. Yeah. As you come in, the air is nice and cool, and this is beautiful. All right, look at that.